Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. All right. So this is the session where we make analysis and then possibly take an entry together. Okay. So I've made few analyses down, and though I'm still waiting for them to start, playing out. So this is one of the analyses that I have made earlier. All right. But I made this on the higher time frame. Okay. I made this on the 2 hours time frame. So why I'm showing you this is because I want you to know that it could take it's going to be an intraday trade though, but if you have a small account, it could take more. You understand? So I don't want a situation whereby you take a trade and then you don't have a choice but to sell it right now. So if you have a small account, yeah. All right. So that is that for GBP USD. But trust me, this market is going to sell. All right. It's going to sell. It's going to sell to the downside. So I can give you this trade, but let me know if you want it. Okay. Let me know if you want the trade. All right. I don't want to give you a trade that when you start seeing maybe the trade is supposed to, there's always what we call drawdowns in forex. Okay. So sometimes the market will give you a drawdown, not that the market will not go its way. That is why I try to minimize my stop loss so that the stop loss will not be too far. Okay. But some trades, when you place them, you don't have a choice than to place your stop loss, where it should be. Okay, so take for example, look at this trade right now. I had to place it here. Okay, I had to place my stop loss above here, and this is the 1 hour time frame. So if this goes against us, the market it's going to take a long time to actually tell if this market is going against you. You understand? So that is why when I see this kind of trades, I don't like giving it out. But if you want it, let me know. All right? If you want it, let me know. Because the market, just triggered my entry, and you can actually start selling right now. So if you want it, let me know in the chat room below. Okay? And guys, if you haven't found the account, please go and fund your account. Go and fund the account. Come and join my premium group. All right? On the premium group, we calculate what we make weekly, not daily. All right. So if we are able to make 70, 80% profit within a week, that is good. All right. So come and join our premium group. Let's make the money together. All right. And for you to be qualified to join the premium group, all you have to do is just fund your account with at least $15. So if you fund with $15 right now on this live stream, I'll add you into my premium group. All right. And to do that, just go to the chat room. You see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So just click on that banner and it will take you to where you can fund the account. All right. So, guys, let's do that and let's continue. All right. Let's continue. So, on this trade, I can actually go to the lower time frame to see if I get a rejection. Okay. So, there's no rejection yet. There's no rejection. No rejection. Okay, so let's just leave that and then continue. Let's continue our business. So we have this, and then we have this fair value gap. So this is a gap in the market that the market would, most time respect. So this is a trade to watch out, to look out for. Okay, the market can come into this area and then start selling to the downside. The GBP PS has been the GBP currency has been on downtrend ever since. Okay, for a very long time now, it has been on downtrend. Look at this from here. See, the market has been coming down. This is So let me just do this. This is August 21. Okay, August 21 till today, the market is still going down. So my best guess is when the market gets to this area, it will just start moving to the downside, right? So this is also a trade to look out for. This is a trade to look out for. You can keep an eye out for GBP NZD, right? Okay. So we can keep an eye out for this also. Okay. So this is a trade to look out for. This is GBP NZD. Okay. Let's make another analysis on another pair. Okay. I've made this before. Let's look for something else. Okay. Okay. So I see the market is still respecting this. The market is still respecting. So it respected this gap. Okay. It respected this gap. You see, it's moved when the market got to this gap. So this is the other block below. This is our support area. The market respected it, and now it's respecting this gap. Okay, respecting this gap now. So you see, the market is just keeps on respecting all the gaps, right? So the next thing to look out for now is so we also have this gap here that the market is currently respecting. Also, you see, we have this little gap. Yeah. So this is the gap the market is currently trading, right? But we can't enter this trade right now because if we are to buy, this is where our order is going to start from, unless we just want to scalp to maybe this area. Okay, and our stop loss is not going to be here. Our stop loss is going to be here. You see, so this is a risky trade. This is not a good entry. Yeah, we want to see a trade. Um, Let me go to 1 hour time frame. So we can target this high, right? We can target that high. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. But this would be our stop loss, yeah? So we use this low as stop loss and then this high and then the other high as our take profit, yeah? But as I've said, the reason why I can't give out this trade is because the stop loss is too wide, okay? The stop loss is too wide. What if this trade doesn't go our way? What if it decides to just come down and then fill this gap for the second time, or maybe even come down, or maybe even come down to this zone before it goes up? So that means you are going to have, to lose. You understand? The market is going to take us out. I don't want that. So let's leave this, okay? Let's leave that and then make other analysis. Okay. So this is a beautiful move in the market. This is a beautiful move the market has made. All right. Okay. So this is where the market broke down from. Okay. That's where the market broke down from. So it's going to come back to retest this area and then continue its movement. Right. It's going to go down. Let's look for where it will go down from. Possible places the market could go down. Okay. So we have this. We have that. So let's see what happens when the market gets to this area. Right. This is the 4 hour time frame. So every candle here is going to take 4 hours to finish printing. And this current candle has just, been, it's not even up to an hour yet. So we still have 3 hours, 44 minutes to the closure of this current candle. Okay, this current one. So let's leave that and make another analysis, all right? So let's just delete all of this. The, okay. So we have this zone where there's liquidity. The market love coming back to where it left liquidity. So liquidity is when you think the market is going to reverse from a particular place, then the market just continues. Okay. So a lot of traders would have taken a sell from here when the market was approaching, okay, because of this. So they would have taken a sell, hoping that the market will just continue to go down, and then their stop loss will be around this area. But instead, what happened? The market just broke out, took out their stop loss, and then continued to trade to the downside. So, all right. So if we have this liquidity here, then this area is change of character. Change of character, yeah. And then after or before our change of character, we are looking for entries, right? Okay, so this got mitigated. The market continued to trade down. I think all of this zone has been mitigated. All these zones has been mitigated. The market just continued to trade down. Then we have this also. So we have this gap. We have a gap here. The market hasn't filled before. We have a gap. Then yeah. So let me delete this. I don't believe the market is going to make reversal from here. So I think it's just going to use right. So you see, we have a trend line inducement. A lot of retail traders would have, thought that the market, when the market get to this area, it will start going down. Okay, but what happened? The market just continued to trade to the upside. So my speculation is this market to come all the way to this area before it continues to draw to make its move to the downside. So okay, and we have this gap. The gap hasn't gotten mitigated. Okay. Do we have any other gap below? We don't. Don't. So I think this is going to get mitigated. So I'm just going to put this here. Yes. Oh, sorry. This is the 4-hour time frame. We obviously can't take this trade from the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is too big. Okay, and then this could take a day to get to sorry, it could take more than a day. It could even take 2 3 days. So let's go to a proper time frame where we can actually look out for. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful, isn't it? I don't think the market is going to reverse from here while we have this other gap at the top. So even though we have multiple gaps, the market would always pick the one at the top. Okay, it will pick the peak, the one at the peak. Wow. So our stop loss is better, smaller. Then let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. 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 So it aligns perfectly with our 1 hour time frame, which is a very good thing. Yes, it's very good. It's a very good trade, right? So these are the high kind, kind of high probability trade that I always look out for. All right. Yes. So we have our setup. We're just gonna wait for the market to get triggered. All right. We're just gonna wait for this to get here and then trigger our entry. Okay. Trigger our entry and then come all the way down to give us our profit. So let's make more analysis and see if we can get an entry today, right? So I made this analysis last week and my entry didn't get triggered. Okay. So this didn't get triggered. The market just reacted from the fair value gap here. You see the fair value gap. And then it just sold to the downside. So the next fair value gap here is this, right? And since the market is busy making, busy going down, then we can actually ride it. We can go with it, go with the flow, right? Because as a forex trader, you don't want to. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you are getting your entry from the peak. Okay, you're getting the right entry. If not, you're just going to lose money. Honestly. So This is a gap here, right? There's also a gap here, but I'm not going to use this because of this long candle. So I'm just going to take this, use that as my gap, and then make sure that I'm using the 50%. So what I mean by 50% is this. Let's assume we use these two, yes. So this is our 50%. So the middle, okay, half of it is the 50%. So, and then my stop loss will be just above that high. Take profit on this low. Okay. So I have the trade there. I have this trade. All right. So we have how many trades we are looking at? We are keeping a lookout for now. I think this is the second one, yeah. Guys, this is not a signal, all right? Guys, I hope you understand. This is not a signal, right? These are just speculations. So, what you're supposed to do after I make this kind of analysis is, check the market. This is 1 hour time frame. So it's going to take maybe another hour for the market to get here. All right. Maybe in the next 1 hour, you can go back, go and check on this chart, see if the market is around this area. And then when it's here, then you can decide if you see a rejection, then you can decide if you should, take the trade. You understand? That is how to be a professional trader, right? So we took this trade on the premium group yesterday, and look what happened. The market didn't hit the take profit, just few pips to hit the take profit, and then the market just started going up. Just a pip. I don't think it's even up to a pip. I think this is half of a pip. Okay, this is like this is not up to a pip. Honestly, this is not up to a pip. See, this is where my take profit is. This is where it was. The market didn't hit take profit. We took the entry from here. Okay, we took the entry from here, and we were supposed to take profit here. But look at the market; it didn't take profit. Okay, it's showing me by that the market we went into loss on this trade. So trade is like that sometimes, right? Trade is like that sometimes. But as I've said, we don't calculate what we make um, on daily basis. What we look at is what we were able to achieve within the week. Okay, right? Okay, yes. right? So Euro JPY, let's see what is going on in Euro JPY. Let's go to the okay, let's go to the 2 hour time frame. Let's zoom in so that I can see, a clear structure. All right. So the market has been on consolidation zone like forever. Okay, has been on consolidation. Let's start the market from, guys. The reason why I'm doing this is I can just make my analysis from here. Okay, but no, I'm always showing you guys how to actually start an analysis, and so we're giving you guys scope. So we have you know and a liquidity where the people's stop loss was taken out, and then we have that liquidity. Okay, guys, I just want to check something before we continue on Euro JPY. Okay. See, this is the trade I just left for them on the premium group. If you are interested, go and fund the account. If you fund the account, you get this trade also. This is XAUUSD. So we are going to buy from this area when this market falls to this zone. Okay. If you want to get this, go and fund the account. Go and fund $15, guys. $15 on your account. The money is not from you. I'm not asking you to pay for this. All I'm saying is fund the account, okay, your personal account, your BtcDana account. Fund it with at least $15 on this live stream. All right. So, and if you want to fund right now, just go to the chat room. So on top of the chat room, you see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner and it will take you to where you can fund the account. Right. So once you fund with $15, just let me know in the chat room. Just tell me, Mr. Leo, I fund up to $15. I'll check and verify, and once it's confirmed, I'll add you into my premium group. Okay. So we still have time because this is the 15-minute time frame, and it's still going to take some time before the market comes to this area. Yeah. So if you are interested, go and fund. All right. Let's go back to Euro JPY 4 hour time frame. So we have this liquidity, and then this is the low that created the liquidity. Yeah. So we want to see a change, a price breaking this low. So the reason why I didn't use this is because this is a week. Okay, I want to see a full body. I want to see a body breaking, giving me a change of character. Okay, I want to see a body, not a week. And then the market has been reacting to this. Okay, didn't come all the way to this level. This is where we have a fair value gap. But the market didn't come to this second fair value gap. It just, making a move from this second fair value gap, right? So this is the first fair value gap. This is the second fair value gap. So the market has been making a move from here and ever since trading to the downside. Yeah. So the market traded, went up, traded, do that for some times, and then um, so what I'm showing you guys here is just, you know, I want you to know how to make we call this a top-down analysis. Okay, top-down analysis. So I want you guys to know how to make a top-down analysis. So we call this a top-down analysis. So we have two entries actually that we can keep an eye out for. We have two entries. We have this. So we have this. Um, then we have the second probability entry is this breaker block here. So these are the two entries we have here. These are the two entries we have, right? And the market already made a move. Okay, no, hasn't made a move. Okay, broke D to the downside. The market is currently trading inside it right now. Okay, I think this is not valid anymore. That's not a valid breakup block because the market broke it to the downside. So these are the entries we have. Okay. So after this kind of analysis, what we can do to get a trade confirmation is to go to the lower time frame and see if we get a change of market structure. Yeah, market structure shift. Okay. So I see somebody is asking what's the difference between BOS and CHOH. Okay. So BOS means break of structure. Why church or how do you want to pronounce it? CHOH, change of character. The difference is very simple. Okay. They are similar though. They are similar. But so this is how it is. When a market, let's go to the lower time frame so that I can show you a better market structure, right? So look at this. Look at this market. You see, from here to this area, what is happening? The market is going up, yeah? So let's mark out our chart. The market is going up, is giving us BOS. So BOS means break of structure, okay? BOS means, so I love to label them, okay? I love to label BOS. So that is BOS, all right? The market is breaking structure to the upside, all right? We have another BOS. The market is breaking structure to the upside, right? So this is our next high. And this high got broken also. Okay. Remember what I said? I said I want to see a body close, okay, not a candle, not a wick. So if I get a wick, it is possible that the market is is just trying to create liquidity. You understand? So this is another BOS, okay? And then what are we now looking for again? A market that will break this, okay? That will not go below this low. This is our recent low, okay? After this was created, okay? So this is the low that created it, because this low created this, and then we have another break. So this is the next low. We don't want to see we don't want to see. Let me delete this. So this is also a low. This also counts as a low because, but we are not going to use this. Okay, let's not use that. Let's use this low. So we have this low because when this high was created, the market came all the way down to this area. Okay, came all the way down. This is our last low. Okay, and this is our change of character. So the reason why it's a change of character is because it's a law that got violated. Right? It's a law that got violated. So how did it get violated? You see, the market has been making uptrend move, right? The market was creating higher highs, so it was breaking structures to the top side. But when it got to this area, it wasn't able to continue the structure breaking to the top side. The market just came down and they took out the low. Okay, so it is also a change of a change break of structure. Okay, you can also call it a break of structure, but for reference sake and labeling, that's why I love to call it change of character. Okay, though in the ICT, um, in the ICT, what's it called, strategy, it is also called change of character. Okay, because they love to specify everything the way it should be. Okay, so the labeling is change of character, that is change of market direction. Okay, the market has changed character. Okay, when they say somebody change character, what happened? That means maybe the person is a good person before and then the person just decides to be a bad person. You understand? So that means the person change character. Yeah, so when we have a change of character in the forex market, that means the market change direction. But a break of structure means the market is just, it's continuing the trend but it's breaking structures. Okay, it's trending, right? So now when we have this kind of thing, the next thing we want to look out for is where the market is going to come and then continue to either buy or sell. And that is what we are currently doing. Right? So guys, that is it. I hope you understand how to differentiate between change of character and break of structure now. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. Yeah, let's continue. So what I want to see here, this is the 5 minute time frame. This is how to, to actually tell if your market is going to buy or sell from such area. Okay, you can come to the lower time frame, and then we have this move. So so this can be considered as a liquidity, right? And this, right? Okay, so I see somebody's asking if it's good to buy GBP to sell GBP. Don't worry, let's go and check GBP, okay? But right now, I just want to show you, what is currently happening here, okay? If this is a good entry to actually look out for opportunities on. And what happened? The market just started, doing this. Came all the way to where it was previously. So the market has been going down ever since, right? So let's check GBP JPY. Yeah. Let's check GBP JPY. Okay, so guys, I haven't gotten, a price rejection pattern, that will give me that confirmation. All right. So look at what is happening here. I told you I need to see a rejection. So right now, even though I'm getting all of this, I'm still not okay with taking an entry. Okay. I want to get a proper rejection. I want to get a proper rejection. Though the market has, come back all the way to this area and then is currently trading from that area. Um, so let's just hope before the end of our session, maybe we will get the entry. All right. Let's just be patient. Okay. I told you in forex trading, you want to be patient. You don't want to take entries that will blow your account. You understand? So let's just be patient. Let's be patient. All right. So let's just continue. Okay. Let's continue. I don't even know where we stop, but let's just stop. Let's just start from. Let's just continue from AUDCAD, right? All right. So this is a higher time frame liquidity grab. Okay, and then this is the lower time frame change of character. So the market is currently making this. Let's go to a more lower time frame to see what is currently happening. So all of these areas has been mitigated before. You see, this market mitigated it. The market came all the way down. You see this rejection here, and then the market is currently trading. Yeah, I think this is a good setup, guys. I think this is a good setup, but let's look for a proper rejection, okay? Let's look out for a proper rejection. Okay. So so let's just wait for the closure of this candle, okay? Just 6 minutes to the end of this candle, and I think we can actually place this trade, right? So let's see if this is going to be a bullish, a bearish engulfing candle. So if we get this confirmation, then we place this trade, right? We get the confirmation, we are going to place this trade, guys. Wow, market triggered. We are currently making money on our premium group. Guys, I already told you, come and join my premium group. Okay? Our market has triggered on the premium group and we are already making dollars. So if you're interested, go and join my premium group. It's just $15. I'm not asking you to pay for the premium, oh. $15. It's just for me, to see that seriousness in you. Let me see that yes, you are actually serious about making money in the forex trading market. Okay. So we are currently making money, guys. We are currently on this trade making money. So if you are interested, come and join my premium group. Come and come and join my premium group and make money with us. Right? So guys, that's how it is. Okay. Let's go and check AUDCAD to see what is going on. Yeah. Let's go and check AUDCAD. Just 3 minutes to the close of this candle, and then we would know if we are to take this trade or not. Right? So it is what it is. Okay. So it's remaining just 1 minute. Okay. I don't want us to take our eyes off this trade. We are already getting, this. So this is a bearish engulfing candle, right? And we've already gotten, other um, other confirmations. So I just want this current candle to end, and then I'm going to call out the trade. So I'll be giving you the take profit and the stop loss also, all right? Just 33 seconds, guys. Oh boy. Yeah, don't worry, we can still sell, okay? We can still sell. We can still sell. Since this market is coming here, we can still sell. Don't worry, I'm going to reduce the stop loss. All right. So we can still sell. Oh, yeah, guys, sell. Sell AUDCAD. AUDCAD. Sell now. AUDCAD. Sell. Okay. So let me give you the take profit and the stop loss before I go offline. Okay. AUDCAD. Sell. You see, this is the bearish engulfing candle. Okay. Bearish engulfing candle. So let me give you the stop loss and the take profit. Yeah. So take profit is 0.86997. So if you can see this is the take profit. All right. This is the take profit. 0.86997. Oh, sorry. That's not the take profit. That's the entry price I've been calling. So this is the take profit, okay? This is the take profit here. The take profit is 0.86644. 0.86644. And then the stop loss is 0.87060. So let me repeat it one more time. The stop loss 0.87060.
87060. Why the take profit is 0.86644. All right. So guys, please keep an eye out for your trade. All right. Keep an eye out for your trade. This is our TP, and that is our stop loss. So we've come to the end of this live stream for this afternoon. Guys, I'll see you again on the evening session, okay? And make sure to come with your live account, because today we are going to be making analysis. Since yesterday we concluded our forex introduction session. All right. So guys, I'll be expecting all of you on the evening session. That is coming around by 7 p.m. on the dot this evening. All right. So see you guys. Enjoy the rest of